Afternoon, the governor's deadline for hospital, long-term care and correctional facility employees to be vaccinated came and went on Friday. So how many didn't comply and who is enforcing this mandate? News 13's Annalisa Pardo spent the day looking into it.
Well, according to the governor's public health order that went into effect August 17th, employees in a number of industries had to get the first shot by last Friday.
We are requiring for all hospital workers and all workers in congregate care settings to be vaccinated.
We asked all 3 area hospitals for how many workers got vaccinated, filed for exemptions, and how many employees chose not to comply and are out of a job. Presbyterian Health says 97% of its staff complied and says, quote, very few chose to go on leave instead. UNMH says more than 95% of its staff is fully vaccinated or exempt. A few employees chose not to comply and left the organization. Loveless says nearly all of its employees complied with the order by getting vaccinated or an exemption. None of the hospitals shared specifics on the number of exemptions or non-compliant individuals. Just last week, dozens showed up to Civic Plaza and the Roundhouse to protest the vaccine mandate for hospital workers.
I'm a nurse of 11 years. I worked for the company I worked for 6 years, and I'm willing to quit my job over this.
Genesis, the company with the most long-term care facilities in New Mexico, employs about 2,100 people in the state. It says some employees didn't comply with the vaccine mandate and were terminated, and that a small number of employees received exemptions, but when asked, it would not give specific numbers. It now says 100% of its staff is vaccinated. Lastly, the Corrections Department says only a couple dozen of its more than 2,000 employees have yet to show proof of vaccination or request exemption. It says at least 84% of its staff is fully vaccinated. Now, under the public health order, facilities themselves are required to keep records of staff's vaccination or exemption status and only need to provide those records to the state if the Department of Health requests it. We asked the governor's office how it will enforce the vaccine mandate. In an email, the governor's spokesperson, Nora Sackett, said in part, the state has various mechanisms of holding accountable non-compliant entities and has exemplified that throughout the pandemic. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Annalisa. Now, we also asked Nora Sackett how many employees in the governor's office complied with the order. She told us we would have to file an inspection of public records request, also known as an IPRA, to get the answer. Now, those IPRAs can take up to about 2 weeks to get the information back.